When you smile, you teach people to smile around you, or when you don't, it teaches them to be more concerned around you.
It's contagious.
I've seen that with even parents who can't smile. Because in your pictures where you take a serious look, it tends to make people draw from that look.
Yeah.
Even though it works for you.
It's not as approachable.
Right, and so if you can go back and take a quarter of those chances back, or 50 of those chances back.
I would do it in a heartbeat.
Right, and then you go, hey, let me show you what I really want to do, but I don't want to be.
This is who I really am. I really am a smiley person, and happy and bubbly. This is who I am.
How'd you hear about us?
I was on Instagram, and there was this social media, person that I loved her teeth, and she was just really real about, how she approached getting, a better smile. And I looked at her YouTube, and on her YouTube video, she was one of your clients, and I was so intrigued. I had to, I was brought to your web page, and I was just like, it was almost like automatically I felt like my perspective had changed upon getting a sense of doing veneers. Just so impressed that she avoided doing the drilling and the step-by-step process that it would take. That's so invasive that to me, I like it. The cost is high too, yes, but
it's incredibly deceptive.
Oh my God.
What happens is they show the before, they show the after, but they never show the ride home. And the difference is when they show before and after, it's a deceptive position. Like before and after, it's like, these are your teeth, and now these are your teeth drilled down. And so there's really not an after past that, because the third picture is here's your teeth when you apply a veneer. Here's how we hide your teeth. Right. But the before and after should be real teeth, cone teeth.
My entire life, growing up, I had, pretty baby teeth, and my dentist always said that, and it stuck with me because when my teeth came in the way that they did, I was not as pleased.
You just want them different.
Yeah,
and
exactly.
So, yeah, exactly. You just want them different. And so it's like, and that's one of the theories that we get into, is that nobody should drill healthy teeth.
Yeah, it's terrifying to me. It really,
here's what's happened. What they do is they drill a tooth to grind it down, but the grinding comes from the drill. And so we just say, stay away from the drill. We all the time see people who send us their cases and want to know if they can get their veneers removed because they want to go back to what they had. But you can't.
Yeah.
Like, are you crazy?
Yeah.
When you said that you didn't want to drill, then that got my attention. Like for instance, I don't know if you know, but I think you told me you were an Invisalign. Jumped out of them.
Yeah.
And the reason being is because...
Oh my God. It was the biggest mistake ever. It was not.
What I tell people is that you have to know what to expect. If your teeth didn't come in fully, they don't continue to come in fully. I mean, straightening them don't make them nicer, it just makes them more obvious.
Yeah, exactly.
And sometimes if they're not shaped right, they have to be straighter teeth, and it makes it more obvious, oh, I really need cosmetic. And so most people go straight from braces straight into cosmetic, which they could have bypassed it. And so, especially for little things, if you'd done it 10 years ago, or even 5 years ago, the choices we'd make today for those same veneers are so different in color, in shade, in translucency, and a bunch of things. So why commit yourself to something that's going to...
It's backdating. The technology's changed. Why continue to do the service that...
I want to show you something on your smile.
Okay. Let's see.
You have almost no changes. The shape of this one and this one's underdeveloped. This is probably one of those cases that are strictly cosmetic. But if you can make those changes on a case like this, you can do any case. And so...
I can't believe this is really happening. Those are my impressions, those are my teeth, those are gonna go in my mouth.
The reason why I say they work, this is supposed to be your mouth. They fit on. And so that's where we take it from. So the best thing to do is try it.
Okay.
Boom.
This is crazy. I have to take a deep breath.
It's gonna feel weird?
No, I can't even describe since I have, this is a big moment for me because since I have been a little girl on, I have always had since I was 6 years old and my front teeth came in, and this tooth has always been such an insecurity of mine. And I never smile with my teeth, and it's, you know, maybe it's all a mental thing, but I just, like, I can't believe this moment is really here. Okay. Is it on?
They look amazing.
What do you think?
I'm gonna let you see.
I'm ready. Oh.
You gotta let the camera see.
This is unreal.
They look amazing.
I can't.
They look amazing. Look how
this.
shiny they are. They look so perfect and shiny.
I can't.
Notice in your Instagram you're lip to lip on almost everything.
And my family always gives me such a hard time, and it's always been an insecurity thing.
You're not having a problem smiling?
No.
I'm
never gonna
talking?
do the duck face again.
Or talking?
No.
I just learned that was a real phase.
Well,
I
yeah.
thought duck meant hide.
Oh my God.
They look perfect.
I can't believe it.
Do you mind changing other ones?
No, I'll take them in.
I always tell people, wait 3 or 4 days before you get used to the bottom. But some people get adjusted the first and they wear the second one. It all depends on how good it looks. Should look surreal, but it's gonna feel big and it's gonna feel right. So let's look at it.
Okay, let's do it.
This is yours.
Oh my gosh.
Look how white it is.
I know. Oh my gosh.
Just push them down.
That?
It should be tight.
Oh yeah.
Boom.
Oh my God. I
They're
can't believe it. No. Oh my God.
That's a lot to get used to. How does it feel? It's crazy big?
It feels great. Look, I can't believe this.
They're done.
This is crazy.
You know, a large percentage of the people that come to me never came to me to look good. And never one time asked to look a bit better. A young lady in Ohio called me and said, I need a really great smile.
Is this Brittany?
Yeah, Brittany.
I watched it.
Oh yeah, you did.
Yes,
yeah.
I did.
And she's like, you can do this.
I love her.
And she was in the dentist for 4 years, and he couldn't fix her smile. And so that's when we really got on, let's make these more perfect. So with that, I'm getting to see the work for the first time. I don't get to see it up this close.
I'm so happy.
I have to tell you something else.
Tell me.
People are gonna ask, we don't know each other.
No.
We never met before today, right?
No.
Like we Instagrammed one time.
Yeah, no. I reached out to you, and I didn't even know I was reaching out to you. I didn't know who I was reaching out to, but
And it
I
was,
was like,
I think it was like a Saturday or Sunday morning.
it was a Sunday morning.
You didn't try these on before today.
No. No.
And so with that,
Oh my God. This is unreal.
another thing I liked about you graduating from college, these smart girls, if they do their work, they don't drill. You obviously know enough people to know any cosmetic dentist in Florida. If you wanted to make that choice, you could have easily made it. And it wasn't an accident that you put that in our first message, like, I'm not drilling, so help me. And I'm thinking, how does she know to say that? Like, I'm always concerned that somebody in my office might have heard me say it, so you go, oh, just tell them this. But we were looking at trying to start a campaign that says, don't drill. And I knew you were doing your investigation, and I knew that you could make other choices. And I knew there was a time where you didn't want to make any mistakes. You got too many people coming in. But I will tell you, I have been here for the last 15 minutes or so, and I don't see anything about you that's going to have anything but positive on you making an impression where you no longer have the negative. I don't think you're ever going to worry about that one tooth being too small. It looks perfect now.
They're perfect.
Let me see. They're perfect. Like the tips match exactly, bite for bite.
I'm so excited.
It's still way hard for you to believe. I can feel the energy of shock.
I can't believe this is real. I love them so much.
This is insane crazy.
They're so perfect.
Your parents are gonna see you for graduation. Your mom's gonna see you for Mother's Day. And you're gonna walk your stage, you're gonna have your friends.
Oh my God.
And there are not gonna be one more, these people will judge me.
Smiling the entire way down.
We did pretty good. We did pretty good.
I have to see again. Oh my gosh.
We did good.
You did good.
We did good.
I know, Carrie Ann always had the best teeth. You just wanted to win. I got robbed.
Oh, well, I didn't mean to toot my horn. That's not what
Anyway, can you believe it?
They look so good. I know.
You're the first one I'm showing.
Oh.
I know.
How do they feel?
Amazing.
Oh my gosh.
Aren't they amazing, KK?
You're so you're smiling.
I know, I'm so happy.
Smiling. That's awesome.